What's going on, guys? It's your man, Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you all why I believe that Propstream is the #1 resource for wholesalers out there, guys. You can do absolutely everything on it. If you're pumped for this content, go ahead, hit that like button now and subscribe to the channel if you're new, guys, and make sure that you stay all the way to the end, because I'm going to have an opportunity for you to be able to win an online wholesale real estate course absolutely free. So make sure you stay into the end and let's dive into this content.
I want it all, expensive trip, exotic cars. When I took that loss.
Alright guys, so I'm right here at the login screen for Propstream. So what you'll do when you come here is just go ahead and create an account. I just recently started using Propstream about a week and a half ago, and I have to say that it is absolutely amazing. And as I've told a lot of my clients over this past week, I couldn't wait to make this video to show you all of the benefits of actually using it. So let's go ahead and log in. Alright guys, so I'm logged in, and this is what it looks like once you log into the system, guys. And what I want to show you is what you can do once you actually put a property into Propstream, guys. So I just got an address that I want to type in. This is actually my former address that I grew up at. So I figured it would be a good, hold on, let's see if I can get it, a good place to start. Boom, there we go. Alright guys, so once you pop in the address of the property that you're interested in, like typically this right here does not pop up. Like typically it just pops up this page right here. So when you get here, it gives you all of the information about the property, guys. So as y'all see, it's like absolutely ridiculous how much information you can get using this service, guys. I couldn't wait to make this video to put y'all on. If you're not on Propstream already, I super highly recommend getting it. This thing is crazy. Okay, so let's go through a little bit of this. I want to break it down for you guys. So this was my former home. This is where I grew up at when I was a little kid in Markham, Illinois. And it's actually 3 beds and 1.5 baths, but you know, a little bit of the information may be off. It's usually spot on. Like everything is perfect. It gives you everything. It tells you that it's off market. It doesn't have any liens. It's owner occupied. It tells you whether it's a corporate or the individual owner. It's got the estimated value here, and it tells you the comps right here, guys. It even tells you the last sale price right here. And then as you scroll down, as you see, you can see the owner information right here, which is awesome. That saves you one step of having to go to the tax assessor's website to be able to get this information. It's actually got 2 owners on this property, and you can see a lot of other information. So let's see, like property characteristics. It tells you the beds, baths, year built, gross area, building area, all of that, even like the type of roof that it has and the building construction. So, and then it even gives you the APN. So if you need to go into the recorder of deeds or tax assessor's website, you'll have the information necessary. But actually all of the information from the tax assessor's website is actually on here, guys. So it shows you all of the information about the last sale, and this is very, very important, guys. So you see it was an arm's length transaction, which means it was close. The people who bought it lived nearby, and then also they purchased it from well, the title company that they used was Fidelity. So you can see all of this information, guys. You can see all of this. So let me tell you why this last sale information is important. Say, for instance, you're on Zillow or Realtor.com or Trulia, Redfin, wherever, and you're looking for sale by owners, let's say. If you're looking for sale by owners, when you click their ads, you could see like their price. So they'll be selling a property, let's say for like $17,000. You pop that property into Propstream and you go to this last sale information and you see that they just purchased the property for $1,000 like 3 months ago. This actually just happened to me and one of my guys, Jesus. Shout out to you, Jesus. I'm pretty sure you're gonna watch this. And had we not popped it into Propstream, we would not have known how much he paid for it, and we would have seriously overpaid for the property, which we almost did. But we were actually able to get it at an extremely low price because we knew what he purchased it for last. So that's what I would recommend for you all. If you're going through looking for FSBOs, you can find out how much they paid for it, and then that gives you a much better heads up, or like it gives you a leg up in negotiations, because you know like what would be a reasonable amount to be able to offer this person depending on what they just paid for it not too long ago. Okay, so, and then this even tells you about the sale first mortgage information. It gives you everything, guys, like literally everything that you could imagine about this property, you'll have right here, easily available to you. It even tells you about the prior sale information. So who did this person buy the property from? And you can see here that it became a foreclosure. See, once my father passed away, this property ended up in my siblings' hands, and then they kind of just let it go. That's part of why I have such a passion for real estate and wholesaling, because so many people are losing their assets, losing their generational wealth. I'm going to go into a little bit more of this. So let's check out the comparables. I really like their comparable system. So like I told you, I personally know that this property is a 3.1.5 because I used to live there. So I already know that these comps are just a tad bit off because it's listing it as a 2.1.5. But we're not going to worry about that. Let's just say, for instance, this place was a 2.1.5, right? What we would do is that we would come in, we would like make sure that the comps portion is selected, and we want to select the date range for just the last 6 months. So we're going to click all the way to July. Go 6 months in, and today is the 26th, the day I'm recording this. And so boom, so you see in the last 6 months is actually only 3 properties that have sold. These are actually right down, well, this one right here, 164th of Paulina, is actually right down the street. The other 2 of these are a little bit away, but it's really in the same area. However, this one went for 85,000. The other 2 went for 27. So I would actually be trying to use this as like an actual comp. But I really love this system though, guys. I really love this system. I reached out to Propstream to get you all a link to where you can get a 7-day free trial of their service. I highly recommend it. I'm going to try to see if I can get an affiliate link by the time that I put up this video, so you all can get your 7-day free trial straight from this video and not have to do anything extra. So check the link in the description right now. But let me just show you all a little bit more of this information. So you see, you got all of the tax information, you got all of the mortgage information. So it's like you see exactly what's happening here. This is like a hood property right here. And so you see every single thing that's been going on this property, all of the transactions. Like, look at this, guys. Where else can you have all of this information easily compiled, easily accessible to you, so you can start doing stuff? It even tells you the monthly rent. That's a big plus for all of the investors out there that's looking for buy and hold situations or rental properties. They want to know what the monthly rent is or what an estimate is. In this situation, I would probably just tell them it's like $1,100 is the estimated monthly rent in that area. So once I save this, guys, it's actually going to give me the option to run an analysis. Now this is like my favorite part of Propstream. So let's just say, like, okay, let's say I put this in as my purchase price is like $25,000. Right. Let's say it needs like $5,000 worth of repairs. It's not in foreclosure. I'm going to buy this property as an investment. Then we're just going to go through. I'm just going to leave all the rest of this stuff blank just for example purposes, guys. You all can kind of go through this yourself once you actually start using Propstream. But I really just want to quickly go through this so I can show you all. It's absolutely amazing. Imagine being able to send this right here off to your buyers, guys. Imagine how professional you're going to look when you start coming with every single thing that an investor could want to know about the property. So check this out. It's got everything about the mortgage and whatnot. The closing costs are estimated inside of there. And like I said, guys, like you don't have to take the entire, you don't have to print out the entire analysis. You could just pick and choose which parts of this analysis you're interested in the most, and then just shoot that over straight to your buyers or straight to the sellers. You could tell the sellers like, hey, look, this is just what's actually happening in your area. I can't give you what you're looking for because look, here are the comps. I'm going to shoot them over to you right now. Just imagine how easy that's going to be. Imagine being able to just go in, see what the person last bought the property for. Boom, you see that they just bought it for like $5,000 like a month ago, and now they're trying to sell it for like $37,000. You're like, look, I'll give you 15,000, and you don't have to feel bad. You don't have to feel bad when you know what the situation is. So look at all of this. Look, a whole entire summary, guys. Net operating income and expenses, cash flow statements, all of this, guys. It's like literally ridiculous. So I just wanted to show you all this, guys. And like I told you at the beginning of this video, if you stay to the end, I'm going to let you know how to get a free online course, guys. So here's what I want you all to do. I want you all to go over to my Facebook page, to my Facebook group, I should say, guys, Wholesale Deals and Strategies. It's facebook.com/wholesale deals and strategies. And what you do when you go there, I want you to leave a comment saying, hey, Ed, I want the free course. Okay. I'm going to give this free course to the 10th person who comments on my Facebook page saying, hey, Ed, I want the free course. Okay, guys, so that's the instructions. I'm only going to tell you one time. So, guys, just want to finish this up. If you decide to get Propstream, guys, this is just a very brief analysis, honestly. It's so much more. I've literally just scratched the surface here. There's so much more available to you on here, but that'll be for another video. As you see, I can see the cash buyers. I can see all of the vacants. It's literally ridiculous. They've got this thing over here called campaigns where you can start sending direct mail straight from their service. You can get skip tracing done straight from their service. You can import all of your leads straight from their service. You can save your properties directly in there. So look at this. It even tells you when one of the properties have sold or the status of it has changed. Guys, it's absolutely amazing. I couldn't wait to make this video for you all to show you how amazing, truly amazing Propstream is. Really, from the bottom of my heart, I swear to God, whether you purchase this from me or not, I swear to you, this is by far the greatest wholesaling software that I have ever used. I've been doing this for a couple years now. I haven't seen anything that compares to this. I highly recommend Propstream. Check it out with the link down below, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. And until next time, I am out.
Oh, yeah. You know I'ma get it till I'm in the grave. These niggas, they doubted me, counting me out, but I beat a little nigga that left in their face. Throwing up money and making a shake.